everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a half-gallon ginormous fluffy slime. What you'll need is a gallon of glue, or a lot of glue or something. And the activator, I'm just using. You'll need shaving cream, and then containers to store your slime in, and a bowl and a mixing or whatever. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, oh my gosh, this is heavy. You need to take your glue and add it to the bowl. Oh my god, it's not coming out fast. Wait, how much is this? Probably not very much. Yeah, it is not even a half. Let's see. It is literally, oh my god. Okay. I'll be right. Okay guys, so I got some glue in here. Now, if there's any left, take some shaving cream and add it. Oh my god. Add like twice as much as the glue or as the same amount, which I don't think that's gonna happen. Oh my gosh, it's like not working with me. It's all like liquid. I know, that's like the most annoying sound in the world that I can get. Now you just want to mix it up. To be honest, it's fluffy, but like it was not cooperating with me. I think it's like empty. I don't know. It's like, oh my gosh, this is so satisfying. It looks like white chocolate. I don't know. Anytime I make slime, I always just want to eat the glue. I cannot even. Like, look at that. That looks good. It's just, one of them is toxic, the other one's non-toxic, and it still won't taste good. But like, you should just like trick your friends and put white chocolate in a glue bottle and eat it and say it tastes good. Okay, once you got it mixed really good, now you just want to get your activator and add it. Okay, a little bit at a time. Okay, so yeah, just start mixing it and mixing it until it becomes, oh my gosh, it's working. It's turning into, it's turning into slime. Oh my gosh. Why did I do that? Okay, let's just get that off my fingers. Oh, okay, you know what, whatever. Alright, let's get more. Look at that piece. Holy crap. That is beautiful. I don't know, why am I using my hands? I don't understand. Okay, now you just want to get your stay flow. Oh, and keep adding more, or your activator, whatever. Okay, just keep on mixing until it doesn't stick to the sides of the bowl. Look at that, that is the biggest slime I've ever made in my life. Oh my gosh, like, mix. So jiggly. Yeah, I don't understand why I like keep using my hands. I'm just like testing it, like, and it's not done, so yeah. Oh my gosh, my stapler is empty. Oh no. This is not a good thing. Please, please be done. Oh wait, it's working. So, oh my gosh. It's working. Now I think I can use my hands and go in with it. Maybe not yet. Oh my gosh. This is so messy. Look at this. No, this is slime, but like it's not done. Okay guys, so I don't have any more stapler, but I'm just gonna keep on mixing. Get off my fingers. Okay guys, oh phew. Okay guys, so I added borax because I ran out of Stay Flow. So now I'm just trying to mix. Oh my gosh, sticky, sticky. I'm just, you know, adding it little by little. And it is working. Don't ever be afraid to mix activators, but don't do laundry detergent and Stay Flow because that's not good. Yeah, but like yeah. So just trying to mix it up like so. Put that to the side. Just try to mix it. Then this is very, very kind of sticky. Okay, now I just want to add that much. This looks like milk. I don't know. Oh, you can color it if you want. It is optional. But I'm not sure. But oh yeah. Oh guys, I forgot to mention in the beginning. I'm so sorry. You are gonna need foam pellets because and if you're wondering where to get those, you can get those off Amazon and stuff. Because where I live, they don't sell them in any of the stores. Which is sad, but it's worth the wait to get pellets. I'm going to be using rainbow ones because I'm going to make a birthday cake. But again, you can even just leave yours plain. But I am adding foam pellets just to make it creative. Okay, let's take this beast out. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so big. It's very, like, unusual slime texture because I did mix Stay Flow and borax, so yeah. So I am just gonna add just a little more just to make sure it's not too sticky. Yeah. Don't add too much borax or else it's going to be a rock. Right now it's not a rock, so that's good. Look at that. That is so big. It's bigger in real life. Just saying. Okay, so this is half a gallon. See how it's all like that? It's because I did indeed mix whatever. Oh. It is still kind of sticky, so that's kind of a good thing. So the pellets will stick. Okay, so yeah. foam pellets. Now, let's add them in the bowl and do some slime magic. Look at those foam pellets, guys. Now, let's do some slime action. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh my god. So this is going to be vanilla cake batter with birthday cake sprinkles and everything. This is like magic. I'm literally just trying to get all of the pellets and whatever. Okay. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Tip, make sure you leave it a bit more sticky than I did so the pellets will stick. Okay. Yes, this is everything. Look at that cake batter. It's so beautiful. I don't even know what to say anymore. This is like beauty. I literally just want to cry. I don't know why. This looks so yummy. But like, you know, it's not edible. Don't eat it. Kids, people, don't eat it. Okay. Enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to become a member of my gymnast family. And well, I don't have a giant container, so I had to force it into here and split it on top in here. And right now the slime is just can't even. Oh, well then. So yay! And well, I hope you learned how to make fluffy slime, and I hope you guys get a chance to play with it because like it's like awesome, and you can go like this. It makes a bunch of holes in it, and like you can mold it and stuff. You can play with it, stretch it, swirl. You can do so much with slime. Like it's awesome. And there's so many different types of it. And comment down below any other slime type of videos you want me to do. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!